Hello guys, my name is Prav. Welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you to if you are facing a problem for the ad text status is not found. So in your Google AdSense, so how we can fix this problem. So now let's start. So firstly what we can do, so you can open the website and go to the plugin, and there you can search ad inserter. You can search ad inserter and install the first plugin add install now. And then what we can do, so plugin is installed. Now we can activate our plugin. Click on activate, and you can click on setting, and you will see this is a ad inserter. Go to the ads txt, click on this add.txt, and here you can paste your add.txt code. So you can open your AdSense, click on your URL, click on the verify site ownership, click on add text snippet, copy this code, and you can paste here your add.txt snippet. Then you can click on the check mark, and you will see your code is inserted. So now you can open your website, type ads.txt, and you will see this is your publisher ID, and now we have inserted successfully. So you can add it. So once you can refresh this, then you are able to see your text is this will take a couple of time. Then you will see this would be the verified. Okay, so overall this is the process for the installing the ads.txt over your website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and have a good day.